So we're having pierogies tonight, and I told the wife that I'm going to do the Kubasa on the egg. So I have some Kubasa here, and I've cut it. See all the scores? So I've cut all the meat down quite a bit, almost halfway through, all the way around, both of them, both rings. And what I'm going to do is put them on the egg, cut side down, over the convector, which I have in there, and I got some, show you there, convectors in there, and I got some applewood chunks in there, and we're just going to smoke it. So I'll go, 225, 250, just until it's, warm through. Won't take very long. They're not very big. I should have just heated up my medium for it, but it'd be great. I mean, if you want to enhance any meal, even pierogies, big green eggs the one, baby. All right, we're gonna have a look, see how she's coming along. Oh, look at those babies. Let me flip them over. Oh, smells awesome. Oh yeah, look at that. Smoke it over applewood, beautiful. All right, I think we're done. Let's have a look at those babies. Yeah, look at that. Awesome. They go great with the pierogies. Yeah, look at those. Here's our spread.